introduce myself?
It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Ooh. Should we do a before?
Before and after?
Before real quick? Go turn it on. Start up. Pretty loud already. And from the back. Go, rev it. Hopefully it's much louder than that. So we got it up. Let's spray some more penetrating fluid on it, and yeah. It just needed a little motivation. God damn, bro. Here you go.
Ooh. You want to breed it? Asian sausage.
Life of a car content creator, bro.
Yes.
Life of a car content creator. Dude, we tried doing this with this, but Will, the fucking strong guy, got it. Both of them? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. And now Danny has a donut in his fucking car. Got his ass. Got his ass.
Oh shit. Well, there we go.
There you go. Straight headers.
And then we gotta.
You wanna run it?
Wanna run it?
Let's run.
All right, here. Oh, wait.
We're about to run it straight headers. Let's see what it sounds like.
You ready, bro?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Rev it. Straight headers, bro.
Straight head. Straight headers, bro.
Straight headers. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, officer.
All right.
Look, the exhaust is on.
Let's finish this shit off.
Has a slight leak.
Just zip tie the fucking
What? Yeah. Why did I called it? I said you just attached to zip tie that shit, and then now you.
Bro. I see nothing.
Fuck you, Miguel.
Now,
Fuck you.
You can just stick the tips back there on, and then just take all the pipe off, and nothing's zip tied. Doesn't look ghetto, doesn't sound bad, and you'd be like, oh yeah, officer, it's stuck. Look, the exhaust is right here.
Oh, other side, she goes on left. Oh, that's just crazy.
All right, we done.
Dude, it looks JDM as fuck.
We're done.
We're done.
So we're done. What you got there, yeah?
I'm the exhaust.
Straight headers. You need to cut
the
it.
hangers that you want to cut?
No, you have to cut one of the fucking other shits that's on the exhaust.
You have to cut the actual pipe.
You have to cut the pipe, and then on the actual exhaust,
Alright,
you have
where's
to
the
cut one
cutters?
that...
I'll cut your pipe.
Brandon has it, because he was like, oh, I need it. For what?
Wait,
For what? For what? What does he need
what?
it for? What,
For his
what does
engine?
He... Yeah.
Does he want
Didn't
to
even touch it. And Drew was like, what is he going to use it for? I was like, I don't know.
Alright.
So we're
Grab
done.
the camera and let's go to Brandon's.
The Brandons!
The Brandon's in the focus. No, I was playing.
I haven't been in fucking the C3. Or can even unlock. Oh. You gotta push harder now. Ooh. Shit.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Ain't got the gas in it.
Ooh. This is the first time the vlog's actually seeing the Corvette.
Corvette?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not a shitbox. Well,
Yes, sir.
not anymore. Still is
This
kind
is
of, but.
Chris's baby.
Want a shift knob?
I'll take the shift knob. Okay. Oh shit. Wait, what does this button do again?
Oh, my
oh
shit!
Oh shit!
Shit! The spring!
No! Fuck!
Fuck!
Really? Oh fuck!
Fuck!
No!
Give me my shift knob.
Whoopsies!
Okay. Before we get to the next part of this video, I just want to say that we are trained professionals. So please do not try this at home. Enjoy.
Chris, the whole fucking thing is just like shaking. This is sketchy.
Oh yeah. Only the most accurate and best tools to use here.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
You got the 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. You got a 3/8 fucking extension, and then you got the T tool. It's fine.
Fuck you. Look out. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Hey, it's starting!
Dude, it made it, bro.
Oh, it's making the ground shake.
Lift me up, daddy.
Yeah, let me get right into there. Get. Oh yeah. Fucking shit. That should be good.
That was hot. You got everywhere.
So we finish up the exhaust. Chris is finishing up doing the final part. Go. All right, we got it off. It's off of the jacks. Dane's about to test this shit out. Let's go. Here we go. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Give it a little rev.
Yeah, give it a little rev.
Woohoo! That is crispy. That is crispy.
Hello guys, EG here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of editing I'm trying out. As you can tell, we did a whole remodel of the channel, and I hope we can make the tune-up community grow into something big. But anyways, make sure to follow our socials. It is in the description below, and as always,
All the one hoes, I be out with the bros, turn the new shit up when we hop.